Don't you remember this from 1987? You'll see. Just wait and see, alright?
Means the original came out in 1977, right?
No, we have to wait and see the 1987. You have to wait and see it comes out, okay?
Okay.
Just watch.
It's a little chilly. I need to see if I have like a sweater or something in the trunk, because I'm getting cold.
Me too.
Well, I didn't leave my window. There's another plane right behind it, Leo. We're getting cold, so we can't.
Are we there yet? Theodore, if you could ask one more... Wait a minute! We're home! Please fasten your seatbelts. Here they are! Woo! Children! Hey, good to see you! Don't children us! Yeah, we know all about the diamonds! Stop. Now, don't try anything stupid. Hand over...